Hey guys, it is that time of month where I get a package from Miniature Sweet and I show you guys what I got. So this month I tried getting something new and I actually think I might have a DIY video going up before this haul, so you may have seen this because I'm going to try to make something with this. But you guys are going to have to tell me if I did a good job because at this point, I don't know. This is my first shaker mold and I have never used one of these before, so I'm very curious to see how this works. This is kind of a sticky silicone, so I may need to wipe it down a bit. But I hope this is going to turn into a cute charm. Leave me a comment down below and tell me how I did. I also got a flask shaker charm and I think this is going to be really cute. I really love the size. I wasn't sure how big this was going to be because, you know, numbers mean nothing to me. And I got this snow dome shaker charm. I almost said gumball machine, but it's definitely a snow dome and I hope I can make something cute with this because I really love the size and I feel like I could maybe put some stickers in here. I don't know, we'll see. And then to go with the shaker charms, I got some of these. Basically it's an assortment of rhinestones and little gold bezels or charms that you can put in your shaker charms or, you know, use them to decorate your pieces. This is a purpley one. And I have this blue one, which I'm hoping to use with my Sakura piece. Looks like there's some micro marbles in there too. And then I have this feather mold and it looks really, really detailed. I'm interested to see how the resin piece will turn out. But I think I can make some really cute charms with these. Maybe some earrings with the smaller feathers. Not 100% sure yet. And then I do not remember what's in here. So let's open this up and see. First we have a unicorn merry-go-round charm. This is adorable. And then a little perfume bottle. This kind of has a Kiki Lala vibe to me. Maybe Magical Girl, I don't know. But then here is a little butterfly wand. I really love these wand charms, so I hope I can make something good with them. And then, I think these are some silhouette, maybe, frames? I choose everything for myself, but I just have a really bad memory. Ta-da! Oh, we have a unicorn and Alice. These will be fun to work with. I think I'm just going to start a series called Abby Attempts where you guys see me, you know, just try different things. It won't be a tutorial because, you know, I'll be learning as I go and testing out things, but let me know what you guys think of that. I remember ordering some colored resins because I've never tried the Miniature Sweet brand and, oh, they package it quite nicely. It's a tiny bottle. For UV resin, you don't always need a huge amount. So here it is, let's see, UV resin hard lilac, and the lid is a little loose. I'm not sure if I want to pull this off. Is it going to break a seal or something when I do that? I think I'm just going to leave that for now. I have lilac, white, and pink. There is kind of a strong smell. I'm not sure if it's the resin or the packaging, so I will do a detailed review later on. I do want to use these very soon though. They are opaque resins, I believe. I think they're pastel colors. As always, I'll leave a link down below for those of you that want to check it out, and I'll try to get the review up as soon as possible. It looks like Miniature Sweet sent me some extra goodies here. Let's see what's in here. These look like the Mickey Mouse sprinkles from Disneyland. I could put these in shaker charms. That would be so cute. And then we have a little seahorse mold, perfect for summer. And, oh, is this My Melody? It's a little bezel. My Melody's one of my favorite characters. Well, she was when I was growing up. I still love her, but Aggressive Vitsko is probably my current favorite. As always, here is a coupon code you can use. And if you would use my link down below, it would help me out. There's no extra fee for you guys. It just gives me a little commission and helps me make more videos. So if you're looking to buy from Miniature Sweet, please use the links down below. And that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really excited to use these molds. I know I've been getting a lot of bezels lately, but I think I can combine some of these items, you know, with the bezels and make a really nice detailed piece. So let me know what items you would like to see me use first, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!